It's Tuesday morning, 1976. Cast iron bath to come out of this one. It is a bathroom. It is tiny. Bath is going across that wall. Toilet, basin, soil pipe to run out of that wall there. Towel rail there. I think it's a bar mixer shower. Not sure about a riser rail on that wall. And yeah, customers knocked all tiles off. Thankfully, it looked like they were cement rendered. But normally, yeah, to get off. Electric shower, missed that one. It's had it behind the curtain. That's got to come off as well. Yeah, get it ripped out. Rads off. Cut off that pipe work under the floor. Basin's out. Electrics to remove off that. Toilet feeds off. Smash this bath now. Actually, these are all lead waste pipes. I'm going to reuse that hopper for the bath waste and change the soil stack here to plastic. Obviously, I don't want to disturb this flat roof on the garage, but that's going to be the plan. Cut it off around there. Go on YouTube. So I'm going to drain the heating off now, or a little bit, take the pressure off and cut them off under and cap them off. Boards back down, like so. Ready for first fixing. So these are our hot and colds coming into the bathroom. So I know that tea was going to the toilet, so she is our cold, tea is our hot. We're obviously going to be reusing that. This will be behind the bath anyway, so I'll probably surface somehow. Take that board up and pop up. Go right to the basin of the toilet, left to the bath and shower, which are marked up. So these are going to be our hot and colds to the bath and shower. Numbnuts pressed that on, not realising, well, forgetting that I've got to come this way to feed the new basin in the toilet position. Obviously I didn't forget on the hot. You could run these under the floor, but this is going to be under the bath anyway. Just hope it doesn't hit where the bath legs are, but we'll see. We can alter them if need be. At least everything's accessible, because the bath is going completely along here, so what is the point of it under the floor? Same here, the soil pipe's going out this corner, so I will run the pipes to the new position of basin and toilet over there. Slow job. Got to get that. Got to put a flexi on that into a pan, so they've got a toilet for tonight, because this is the only toilet in the house. Depending on, I might use that hole for the new bath waste. The basin waste is going to tee into the soil pipe, which is running across. Check back to you in a bit. Progress update is 20 to 12. Hot and cold to a vanity unit. I'll tee off the cold to the toilet when the units are in, because they're side by side. I don't know where I was showing you up to here. I think nothing's changed there. Hot and cold to the bath tap. Sure, this is egg box plasterboard. To cut it out, to get our hot and cold to a bar mixer and some noggins in for the rain head and the shower screen. So these will just tee off and into the stud wall, egg box wall, whatever it is. I really hope they don't land on the bath tap leg, the bath legs. Heating pipes are in now. Taped up to protect from whatever the plasterer, tiler, whatever decides to do with it. All that egg boxing ripped off now. Thanks to the customer. Just exposing this. So we can thread a new waste through for the bath. And we'll get them shower feeds in. Bath waste through. This is just temporary, so the customer can fill a bucket to flush the toilet, which I'm going to put on a flexi now, temporary. Need some noggins for this wall, so we can put a noggin up there for the shower screen, brace across the top for the fixed head, and something to support this bar. Get water back on, and that's day one done. Just started prepping up for tomorrow. Just put the bottom brackets of the legs on. Can't put the actual legs on because I can't get around the stairs. Marking up now for the centre of the tap. Now you've got to be aware, this is an 850 bath, but this side is thicker than that side, so the overflow and the waste isn't actually 425 to the centre, hence why there's about 4,000 pencil marks on it. So I've had to line it through with the overflow. I'm going to measure the size of these bath taps, centre, see what it looks like from centre of that, and get them drilled out. I'm going to get one chance of this though. We're back. Stud this up first, plasterboard it across, core that toilet soil out, put the bath in. Baltic as well outside. Measure up for this soil pipe. From floor to centre of pan on this one is 180 plus finished floor surface, which is going to be around 20 mil, so 200 mil off the floor is the centre of our soil. I'm going to obviously falling back to this 25 mil every metre. That'll give us our height for coring through. I had a attempt on cutting that out. Only one rip through and I've given up. Mr. Mickey. I was just going to hold them in position and level. Carry on boarding this wall. Progress update. The soil's cut out, ready to convert the cast to plastic and move it over tomorrow morning. We boarded that wall. That's going to now level the bath up and put some battens across the back to support that back edge, and then the bath's got to come back out so they can reuse the toilet tonight. Until tomorrow, when we get the new soil in, I can put the toilet temporary here. There's only one toilet in this house, which always makes life hard work. Hey, slowly getting somewhere. Starting to take shape. By far the best way to secure a bath to the wall. Another batten across this end. She ain't going anywhere. It's day 3 on the bathroom project. Changing the soil pipe over today and get this bath temporary in so they've got somewhere to wash, kids, etc. It's snowing, hence why the hats come out. Gotta start by getting these flexes on the bath, for the bath. Here's what we've done outside. We used the pipe snugs, first time using them, don't rate it. Because I'm not sure what size hole they want you to use, but it doesn't fit in a 5-inch core. Upstand there with a bird cage. That window does look closer on the picture, but it's not, for smells, etc. And inside, toilet's back in temporary, bath is in temporary, because I'm not sure if it's getting plastered or not. And they can get that used tonight. That green sheet is there just to protect the plasterboard from getting soaked. Something little and splashing, you know how it is. Ignore the splash marks on the floor. But didn't see that. We're back. We all make mistakes. Shower's not in centre of bath because the taps aren't in the centre of the 850. Customer didn't even notice. I noticed when I was looking at the pictures last night and the content. It's like, but we're not right there. So back to correct it before Tyler comes. You'd never know. Could have been worse. So what happened with that one was, obviously the bar mixer wasn't in line with the bath taps. And when I said they're not in the bath taps aren't in centre of the 850mm of the bath, the width of the bath, it's because we had to put the taps the centre of the overflow. Well, in line with the overflow, which wasn't in the centre of the bath. I don't know if that's because it's a P-shaped bath or because the right-hand side has got a bigger lip where you'd put your soap and stuff than the left. I don't know, but that's what threw off my pipes. It's sorted now. Just wanted to show you that nothing as straightforward as some people's content does. Thanks for watching.